so we're going to go over the structures of the female reproductive system. I can't talk. So the ovary is going to be this part right here. Uterus will be this organ right here. The fundus is going to be like kind of the top part of the uterus. Then it goes to the body and to this the cervix as well. So I'm going to take this off. So then you have the horns in the cat, which is known as the uterine tubes in the human, and so those are going to be this one right here. And then you have the fetus and the placenta, which would be located within the uterus if the female were pregnant, but you can't see it here. But it would just be the fetus, and then the placenta is just kind of like this little membranous tissue right next to it. Then you're going to go through the isthmus, which is going to be this part right here at the base of the fallopian tube. The cervix with the cervical canal, which is here. This is your cervix. Cervical canal would be kind of up here. And then you're going to go on to the different layers of the uterus, which there are three. You have the endometrium, right, kind of along the lining, the myometrium, and then the parametrium. And then you have the fimbriae coming off of the fallopian tubes. And then the other regions of the fallopian tubes include the infundibulum, which is here, and then the ampulla leading into the isthmus that attaches to the uterus. The broad ligament is going to be this one right across here. And then you have, that's the round ligament. The broad ligament is going to kind of encompass the whole thing and be like a covering over it. You can't really see it very well here. And then the ovarian ligament is going to be attaching that ovary kind of to the base of the uterus. Then you have the clitoris, which is going to be this part right down here, homologous to the penis in males, covered by the prepuce. And then you have the labium minora and then labium majora. And then you have the vagina, which is just going to be right up here, leading into the fornix, which is going to be this little branch right off here. And then you have the mammary glands, which aren't seen on this, obviously. Those are just the glands coming off of the breast. Then you have the nipple surrounded by the areola.